Want to bring color to your Christmas? Let's get creative with festive coloring pages. Christmas coloring pages are your ticket to holiday joy. Perfect for kids and adults, these printable designs capture the heart of the season. From jolly Santas and reindeer to sparkling snowflakes and Christmas trees, there's something for everyone. For kids, coloring pages are not just fun, they're educational. They help develop fine motor skills and spark creativity, all while keeping little hands busy. And for adults, intricate patterns offer a relaxing escape from the holiday rush. It's a win-win. But the magic doesn't stop there. Coloring together fosters family bonding and creates cherished memories. Plus, your finished masterpieces can double as holiday decor, custom cards, and even gift tags. So grab your markers and crayons, set up a holiday craft station, and let the festive fun begin. Download your Christmas coloring pages today and watch the holiday magic unfold, one color at a time. Visit us at www.digiwininfotech.com and start your colorful Christmas journey now.